My name is Desi and welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to just be cleaning my house. Basically, I've been slacking around everywhere look a mess and I can't function when my house is in a mess. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with my room, then proceed to the living room. I try to clean the kitchen, clean my bathroom, organize my stuffs, and let's see where we go from there. Come on, come see for yourself. You see how crazy it is, but everywhere is in a mess. So I have a little tracker that I use to see if I take my vitamins and my other pills. But I have not been diligent in following through with. So one thing about me is I do not play when it comes to taking care of my teeth. I take it very seriously because I think when the first impression when somebody that you do not know see you for the first time, what they see is your teeth, your dentition. So I don't play with my dentition. I have different things that I use to like take care of my teeth, have my electric toothbrush, have my little manual toothbrush. Like when I'm not feeling like using the electric toothbrush, this is like medium. I think the electric one came in as soft. I have a little thing for my tongue, and this is my water floss. This is my spare water floss. This I usually take this when I'm going on vacation or I'm gonna be away from home for a certain period of time. So I actually have two of those. I'm going to charge this when I'm done charging this. I already flossed for tonight, so I don't need it this night. Just closed. Like nothing is really going on here. So I'm just going to wipe down the sink, wipe down the toilet. That's all about it. I started cleaning around 6 p.m. Look what the time is. And I started around 6 p.m. And I've only done my bedroom, the ensuite bathroom. I just wiped down the toilet and I did the powder room. And it's 9:50 and I started 6 p.m. So I'm about to do the living area and most likely I'll do the dining tonight and I will do the kitchen area tomorrow. Join me. These things need to wash. I'll probably throw them all in the dryer in the morning. steps.